animal in its natural habitat. Actually, this is me, Angel Wilder with Angel at Your Service, coming to you with your weekly business tip from the San Diego Zoo. So, actually we weren't looking at animals in their natural habitat, we were looking at my son. One thing about the zoo is that they have several streams of income that they have. It's first year admission, then it is tours, souvenirs, food, all kinds of stuff. My thing for you this week is look at what streams of income you have coming in. Whether it's an easing, your hourly rate that you charge, whether it is packages that you have, or something as cool as with Christmas coming up, a one-day event that you put together where you have one location that you go to and everyone has to come to you to have you wrap their gifts. And then what would be cool is you take a portion of that money, those proceeds, and you donate it to charity. What's cool is you call your local TV stations, radio shows, or newspapers and let them know what you're doing. Not only does this generate publicity for you, but it also generates income. What's cool is these people that come to you for the gift wrapping might only come to you just once, but they also might come to you more than once. So look around at you and your business, what you can do in your community to earn extra streams of income. This is Angel Wilder from Angel at Your Service, coming to you from the San Diego Zoo with your weekly business tip.